Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to add a Visa gift card to your Amazon account. So now, let's begin. The first thing we need to do is go to Amazon app. And now we are here, you are gonna need to search for Amazon Reload. Now, find the Amazon Reload and click on it. Now you're gonna need to scroll down and find the section to add funds. Put on the amount that you actually have on that gift card, then click Buy Now, and it will redirect you to this page. Now, you need to scroll down and find Payment Information. Click the arrow at the right side of the Payment Method section. So here, click on Add New, and from here, click on Add a credit or debit card. After that, you're gonna have to fill out the informations needed. And after you've did all that, you may now click add and continue. And that is how to add a Visa gift card to your Amazon account. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.